Disclosure: this educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
Are you dreaming of hitting that 1,000 subscriber milestone on YouTube? It feels like a huge mountain to climb. But trust me, it's more achievable than you think. Today, I'm going to break down the exact strategies that will help you get there fast, without any of the fluff. Let's get started. First things first, you need to define your niche. I know. You've heard it a million times, but it's the absolute foundation of your channel's success. Ask yourself, who is my ideal viewer? What problems can I solve for them? What are they passionate about? The more specific you are, the easier it is for YouTube's algorithm to find your audience. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Be the go-to person for something specific. Whether it's vegan baking for beginners, reviewing retro video games, or DIY home repairs on a budget. When you're the expert in a focused area, people who are genuinely interested will subscribe because they know you'll consistently deliver value they care about. Next, it's all about creating content that people actually want to watch. The secret weapon here is keyword research. Before you even think about hitting record, use tools like YouTube's own search bar, Google Trends, or other SEO tools to see what people are actively searching for in your niche. Look for phrases like how to, best, or review. When you find a popular topic with manageable competition, that's your golden ticket. Plan your video around that keyword. Use it in your title, your description, and say it naturally a few times in the video itself. This tells YouTube exactly what your video is about, making it much more likely to be recommended to new viewers. Now, let's talk about the video itself. Your first 15 seconds are critical. You have to hook your viewers immediately. Start with a bold claim, an interesting question, or a sneak peek of the final result. Forget long, boring intro. Get straight to the point and tell people what they're going to get out of watching. Throughout the video, focused on providing real value, teach, entertain, or inspire. Keep your energy up, speak clearly, and make sure your audio is crisp. People will forgive mediocre video quality, but they will click away instantly if they can't hear you properly. Remember, the goal is watch time. The longer people watch, the more YouTube will promote your video. Once you've created an awesome video, you need to package it correctly. Your thumbnail and title are your video's billboard. They have one job: to get people to click. Your thumbnail should be bright, clear, and visually interesting. Use high contrast colors, include a person's face, if possible, and add a little bit of text to create curiosity. Your title should be compelling and keyword-rich. Combine your target keyword with an emotional trigger. For example, instead of how to bake a cake, try the easiest chocolate cake you'll ever bake. Fill-proof recipe. A great thumbnail and title combo can make a huge difference in your click-through rate. Finally, you can't just upload a video and hope for the best. You need to promote it and build a community. The easiest way to start is by directly asking people to subscribe. At a point in the video where you've provided a lot of value, just say, if you're finding this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, engage with every single comment you get. This shows your viewers you care and makes them feel like part of a community. You can also promote your videos on other social media platforms where your target audience hangs out, like Instagram, TikTok, or relevant Facebook groups. Getting to 1,000 subscribers is a marathon, not a sprint. But by defining your niche, creating searchable content, hooking your viewers, optimizing your packaging, and building a community, you're setting yourself up for rapid growth. Stay consistent, be patient, and keep learning. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. See you in the next one.